getting communication from someone that I just heard you got a house. Some of you could be getting a house, could be getting a new residence. You could be getting signing contracts, getting your keys, applications approved. Yeah, you're like moving. Someone could be moving to a new house. What else to find? You're definitely manifesting a move. Yeah, you're definitely manifesting a move. And maybe if you were worried about money when it comes to that move, I feel like everything is going to work out for you. So yeah, everything will balance out. You'll get exactly what you need. Don't worry. Okay, Divine, can we clarify the 8 of Pentacles, please? I just heard you got me working day and night. Michael Jackson could resonate with you. Archangel Michael could resonate with you as well. I'm so tired now. What you working on? Are you looking for the truth about something? You're researching something hard. You're like in the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Yes. This is like a student. You're very much learning something, researching something, into the thick of it. 8 of Pentacles. Page of Swords. Page of Pentacles. You're deep in it. Okay. Whatever. That's usually a choice, but I'm feeling like there could be a choice that you're waiting to make until you get to the bottom of something. Yeah. You're trying to get to the bottom of something. They told me to pull from the bottom, and yeah, you're definitely looking for clarity on a situation.